the investigative teams that are said to be now present on the spot. Where this explosion has happened near the Red Fort area in the national capital, at least 8, officially we are saying that about 9 people have lost their lives. Over 30 of them are said to be injured. The FSL team is also said to be on the spot collecting samples, and the officials say the cause will only be confirmed only after laboratory examination and confirmation. This is exactly the statement, Priyank, that was last evening given by the Union Home Minister in his briefing.
Yes, certainly, Amit. Soon after this report of the blast was given to the Home Minister himself, he called up the NSG chief, he called up the NIA chief, and he also called up the Delhi Police Commissioner because these teams, the top officials of the 3 premier agencies, were given the task to probe this particular act because he was apprised about the fact that multiple people could have lost their life. So there have been several things which have been designated to these officers. On the ground, the Delhi police have filed the FIR under the sections of UAPA 16 and 18 sections of the UAPA along with the Explosive Act, where the Delhi police team has cordoned off the area. They have been carrying out searches at several locations. Their ATS team, which is the Delhi Police Special Cell, is also working on the ground. They have been trying to trace out those suspects who could be also behind it and who could not came to the location. The second job is for the National Investigating Agency, which has the mandate of probing these terror cases along with the Delhi police official, but NIA has an expertise in doing that, where they have been probing the Pulwama, Pahalgam and other cases. Operation Mahadev detail is also be probed by the National Investigating Agency. The third thing is the NSG. NSG BDS team is an elitist bomb disposal team which can ascertain even small and minute particle from the blast location, and they can find the similarity in between the pattern of the blast which could have been carried out by any of these terror outfits. That's why they have also been roped in. NSG's presence is also important because in case of any kind of anti-terror operation, field operation, the NSG team can also be used by the officials. That's why all these 3 teams have been working together. On the other side, the Haryana ATS, which also carried out the searches at the location related to the JM terrorists, are also coordinating with the central agency. So all these agencies have been working together. It's so not only on the visuals where we can see that multiple high value targets are being also protected by the security apparatus. They have been high alert at several other locations. But on the ground also all these DGs have been informed that every ATS, whichever has any kind of input regarding the suspect who could be behind this particular attack, should be booked to the task. There could be possibility that there are more foot soldiers from the Jaish-e-Mohammed who will once again attempt to carry out something similar to this, because if you look at the kind of seizure which has been made, it was around 2,900 approximately kgs of explosive which was recovered in the last 1.5 weeks from the in and around.
But we're going to talk about those angles there as far as the investigative bit is now concerned. But Priyank, getting us that confirmation as far as the UAPA, the stringent UAPA and the sections, relevant sections that have now been added as far as the investigation that is now being concerned, directly link this attack, what happened in the national capital, to a terrorist attack. So as far as when it comes to all angles that are now being investigated and none of them now being ruled out, terrorist act is something that it seems that officially we're looking at the investigation that it would be heading in. We'll, in the meantime, head into a very short break. Our reporters continue to join us on the ground with the latest updates and, of course, the investigation and how many people till now, the casualty figure, how many of them have been identified and how many of them have been injured. We'll continue to get you more.